Hi, my name is Ben, also known as BenBepz, and I'm a freelance videographer and photographer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For the past couple of years, I've been building up my own business of videography and photography, working with brands, clothing brands, restaurants, hospitality and hotels, etc. around the world, and you'll see evidence of this when I mention hotels and sponsored brands in these videos which I produce. However, if you wish to see more of the actual content I produce for these brands, make sure to click my website link in the description and down below. And if you wish to email me regarding any business, my email is benjaminpots@benbepz.com. There will be text on the screen somewhere here. However, if you're just here for the videos which I produce on my YouTube channel, whether that be tech reviews or travel videos, and I really hope you enjoy, like the videos, comment down below and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in whichever video you click next.